we go.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, King County in northeastern Illinois, until 6 p.m. At 5:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hinckley, or 10 miles north of Sandwich, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elgin, DeKalb, Bartlett, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Algonquin, Batavia, Huntley,
I think I might get 2 alerts in a row.
South Elgin, North Aurora,
Because that radio over there went off.
Gilbert,
That one's on Milwaukee, so it must be for Wisconsin.
and Cortland, including the following interstates. Interstate 88 between mile markers 88 and 100.
Holy crap.
Interstate 90 between
That was a big one to say.
42 and 56. This includes Northern Illinois University, Elgin Community College, and Waubonsee Community College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north central and northeastern Illinois. The following is a special marine warning from the National. Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for